This is Majay with the Car Boys, back here with another legendary video. Today I got a video showing you guys that I'm the part one of the rebuild process of the Dodge Charger SRT8 superbee. This is gonna be probably like a maybe like a 2 to 3 part build series because it's not that much damage. I already got started on it today without you guys, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm gonna show you what I got done so far. I'm still gonna be doing some work. I'll show you guys what I'll be doing, but I'm gonna show you what I got done so far. It's nothing too serious. It's just, you know, just some light stuff that I started already. But I gotta take an Uber to O'Reilly, head over there, grab some panel bond, some zip ties, and like a drill bit to bolt this fender apron up. Not fender apron, but fender, yeah, bolt this fender up. So yeah, I'm gonna go head over to O'Reilly's and do that. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I've been working on. So as you guys can see, the old fender is on the ground right here in my backyard. That means I have put the new fender on from all the parts I got from LKQ the other day. I already have the front bumper. It's just a temporary front bumper for right now until I get my one that's coming in. But yeah, I got the fender on, as you can see. There's the gaps. I need to adjust this gap right here. It needs to go back just a little bit, but there's the gaps. And I already pulled this frame out as much as I could by myself. I'm not gonna worry about it too much because it's my car. I'm not gonna end up selling it, so it's my car's. I pulled it out as much as it needs to have the core support straight. So the core support is now straight as it was when it first was, like, before it was wrecked. Now I can bolt the headlight up perfectly fine and all that. So that's not going to be an issue to anything. I'm going to get the panel bond for these right here to bolt these back up to the core support so I can hold the bumpers back up here. So yeah, that's all I got done so far. And I'll update you guys after I leave O'Reilly with the parts that I need to fix this. So I'm back. Hold on. And I got all the stuff I need. Got my zip ties. Got my tie rod for this wheel because I needed a tie rod. So I got the tie rod, the inner and outer tie rod. I picked up these drill bits and I just drilled that new hole right there. As you can see, I tried to drill one up at top, but I drilled this one right here. So now the fender is secure in both spots over there. So now we got that secure. Now I'm just working on taking all the tabs out the bumper so I can put on the temporary bumper for right now. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. Probably gonna say, well, you guys, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. I got the bumper off. That's what I was gonna do for today. Get the bumper off and get the fender on. So that's how much work I'm doing for today. I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys want to see more content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one.